Hello dear students, welcome in our most favorite YouTube channel Physics Make It Simple. As long as the 11th science physics is concerned, we are learning units and measurements, and this is the lecture number 3. In this lecture, we want to learn very important article. That article is conventions for the use of SI units. What are the conventions? What are the rules obeyed while writing the SI units? That is most important article that we want to learn today. Okay. The first rule is that full name of unit should be written with small initial letter. All the full units, their initial letter should be small. Remember well. I have written example like this. Newton, N should be small, capital N, Newton. This is wrong. Any full name of unit should be written with small initial letter. Remember well. Meter, this meter is wrong, because here we have written initial letter with capital, but it is wrong. This is the first remembering thing that you have to take into mind, that initial letter of full unit should be small. Full name of unit should be written with initial small letter. Number 2, if the unit is named after a person, if unit is named after a person, then its symbol should be written with capital letter, and other symbols are written with small letter. What is this? If unit is named after a person, let take an example of Newton. Newton is a unit named after a person, because Newton is itself name of the scientist. Its symbol should be written with capital. Meter is not name of a scientist, and so that such a symbol should be written with small letter. So this is the another second rule, important rule, that I have already written on the board. I will repeat again. If unit is named after a person, then its symbol should be written with capital letter, while other symbols should be written with small letter. See here, Newton is a name of the scientist, and so that its symbol should be capital. It is not like this. This is correct. Meter is not name of a scientist, so its symbol should be written with small letter. Capital letter is avoided. So this is the second rule. What is third rule? All symbols should be written with singular form. Remember well. All symbols should be singular, not written in a plural form. That I have written an example here. I have given an example on the board. 5 Newton, it is correct. But 5 Newtons, I have attached yes here. This is wrong. 5 meter, this is correct. 5 meters, it is wrong. Next, any other punctuation mark should not be given after the symbol. Most important. Any full stop, any inverted comma, any question mark should not be given, any exclamatory mark should not be given after the symbol. It should be like this. 5 Newton, not full stop here. I have given full stop. This is wrong. 5 Newton, it is correct. Number 5, units in numerator and denominator form should be written in 1:1 form. If the unit is in the form of numerator and denominator, it should be written in 1:1 form. That is, suppose meter per second square, only 1:1 form, like this. Meter per second square, only 1:1 is here. It should not be written like this. Meter per second. Mathematically it is correct. This again becomes meter per second square, but symbolically it is wrong. Remember well, meter per second. This is mathematically correct. I will repeat again. but it is not symbolically correct. This should be written in one ratio form. We get here two ratios. We get two ratios here. Here we get one ratio. So, units in the numerator and denominator form always written with one ratio form, not two ratio. This is correct symbolically. This is wrong. Number 7, the combination of units and symbols is avoided. Combination of units and symbols are avoided. Meter per second square. This is correct. But here I have written meter full form and second square in a symbolic form. Combination of full unit and symbol, such a writing is avoided. Meter per second square, this is correct. Full name of unit and then symbolic form, it is not correct. So remember, while writing the SI unit, you will have to avoid combination of units and symbols together. That combination should be in symbolic form. Combination should be in symbolic form like this, meter per second square. Then number 7, multiplication of 2 unit. When there is a multiplication of 2 unit, then in between 2 unit you should keep some space. You should keep some hyphen like this. Multiplication, this is a multiplication of 2 unit, meter per second. Space should be there. Space should be there. Hyphen should be there. If you have written like this, meter per second, this is also correct pronunciation, but it is wrong. Meter per second, because no space is there. No space is there. This is wrong. This is correct. So, if the 2 units are multiplied together, then there must be a space or hyphen between 2 units. So, this is all about what we have to learn. Conventions. What are the conventions for the use of SI units? While writing SI units, while using SI units, which rules we will have to follow it. So, there may be a possibility of asking the question. That first question is that what are the conventions for the use of SI units? Our second question is that what are the rules obeyed while writing the SI unit? So, remember these all rules, these are the 7 rules. Read these rules again and again and follow these rules while writing the SI units and symbols of any physical quantity. Okay, dear students, we will definitely meet again. Up till now, we will stop here. Goodbye.